So do you know that you can use this leaf if you want someone to help you financially or any other thing? You understand? Since you know his name or her name, to get rid of disappointment. You understand? So this leaf, we call this leaf we abamoda in Yoruba language, restoration leaf or miracle leaf. So you get one pieces of this leaf. You understand? Write his name or her name on the leaf at night before you sleep. So if you know that you don't want to say anything, you don't want to discuss anything with anyone again, take the leaf and say your intention on that leaf. Then place it under your pillow. When you wake up in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, repeat your intention and you fold the leaf, you eat it. So you can go and meet the person or you call him on the phone. By the grace of Almighty God, he will never disappoint you or she will never disappoint you. By the grace of Almighty God.